Welcome to the informative Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my finger, and we'll see how fast this feature is and as it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint here works so fast. We just can unlock the device less than in half seconds. This is the really good result. I just a little bit press it for a while, just hold it, or because if you will just simply touch it, you have no chance just to unlock your smartphone. That's why you just should hold it for a while, the scanner, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.